Hi everyone, welcome back. And today we'll be doing this question called contains duplicate. It is a easy rated question, and this will be part of our series to do these 75 or 72 questions. And mainly it's an array traversing question, and I don't want to over explain it. I'll just go straight into it and we can answer the questions. So given an integer array nums, we return true if any value appears twice. So, and return false if every element is distinct. So in this case, one appears twice. Hence, this thing does contain a duplicate. In this thing, each item is uh distinct. So this is false. So this will be my approach to do this. So I'll be creating a hash map and I'll be creating an empty set. And if so we'll be doing a for loop through the nums array for I in nums. We don't need the index operation. So it's just item for the item inside the nums array. If I in hash map return true, that means this has been seen. If it's not in the hash map, we will add it to the hash map. Hash map dot add I. And if it doesn't exit at this point, we have to return false. That means each item was distinct and it never hit the true clause to exit out. So we need to return false as a finale. So let's hit some run. Make sure I'm not making any spelling mistakes or some syntax mistakes. And if I hit submit, this should pass all the test cases, and it does a decent relative evaluation as well. So this whole thing actually can be done in one Python line code, which is just length of set nums is not equal to length of nums. So len is just constant time complexity. Generating a set is n space complexity and n time complexity. And a comparison between these two is also n time complexity. So effectively, this thing will be n time and n space. Meanwhile, for this, when we create this hash set, it's not going to cost too much. But because this set is expected to add everything inside, like there's a possibility that it will be as long as the nums value itself if every item is distinct. In that case, this is a n space complexity. And since we are iterating through every item in the nums, this is a n time complexity as well. The operation to add and delete is all constant, so we don't need to worry about it. It's just another n. So overall, this is n time and space either ways. So yeah, hope this helped, and this was a relatively easier question. We'll see much harder questions in the later series, and hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if you have other approaches to do this as well. And I'm always happy to learn from you guys as well. So yeah, see you guys in the next video, and I will catch you later. Bye.